know that you love what I'm doing. I love what I'm doing. Guys, to be totally honest with you, I wasn't always this type of person. Little story. I was so shy, so shy. So me doing this now is like a, yeah, this wasn't always me. This was like anybody who told me I'd be doing YouTube in 2025, I'd have been like, you're a liar. That's never gonna happen. But it happened. I'm doing it. So much fun. It's so realistic. It is the feedback you get from the people. Oh my gosh, I tell you, people out there actually love what you're doing. They love you. They love to see your content, and you have to keep it interesting and keep the vibe going. And I am loving every aspect of it. And yeah, I'm not that shy person anymore. Even my friends would say, I wouldn't think you would do this. I didn't think that you would be that person. And I'm like, yeah, I'm that person now. Like, I go out with them and I'm like, my phone is in my hand and I'm doing everything. And they're like, what are you doing? I'm like, it's for the channel. I'm like, yeah, of course. What do you think? But they're shy too. They don't want to be my yet. But it's a good experience. And if anybody out there wants to do YouTube, I say 100% just do it. My team for this year is do it. Just do it. Just do it. Just do it. Because if you don't know where you would be. You don't know what experiences you would have gained from it. And I am loving it. So just do it. Last year was a different motto. This year is a different motto. So just do it, guys. Okay, Nina, bye. And just do what you think is necessary. Aw, Miss TikTok just connected with Nina. Hi, Anna. Hello, Anna. So Nina had to leave, so she says to take care, everyone, and be safe and be positive. Bye, sis. Yeah, so again, guys, reuniting it. If you think you want to do the YouTube, please do it. It is a great platform to be on. YouTube is allowing us to share part of our lives, part of our experiences. And I would say just take the plunge, put yourself out there, create content, be original, and have fun with it. You're gonna make a lot of friends, a lot of contacts, a lot of people's gonna watch your stuff, a lot of people's gonna love what you're doing. Just always enjoy what you do. Motto of the year 2025. Amazing, amazing, amazing. From a shy person to this person, even sometimes I shock myself. Like, who are you? Oh my gosh, for real. I shock myself. And I'm not even lying. Like it's real. I was not this type of person. Okay, so now I just have some tomatoes. I know this is a big breakfast, guys. I'm hungry. Mm. I got me an avocado. I ate half of it. So avocado, or what you call pear in some countries, whatever you may call it, it is so good for you. You just peel it back like this, and you will know it's ripe when it just looks like. It's so good. So you can eat it by itself. I eat this with bread. I eat this with just rice. I eat this like, oh my God, it's so good for you. There are different types of avocados as well. So good. Mm. I think my plate is full, guys. Oh my gosh. This is what you call a feast. So anybody out there who is interested in joining me, For my feast,